This tutorial video will be focusing on admin and owner's ability to add members to their team. As the owner of the team, you first will need to go onto Stripe and select the package team. This is through the profile drop-down menu, the billing selection. As you can see here, my billing. As the owner, you will then be able to select the team package. Once selecting the team package, you will then add in the members, the amount of members that you want to add into your team. As you can see here, this owner has added that he would like 30 members into his specific team, and so far he's only added 27 members. Therefore, he is able to add 3 more members into his team. If I do want at any point add additional members, I do need to go back onto Stripe and add those additional members before I can add them onto Stratpilot. As you can see here, we have the Add Member button, and I'm on the Team section in Stratpilot. I'll simply select the Add Member button, and then there are 2 different ways I can invite a member onto Stratpilot. A single invite where I'm able to add in their first name, last name, email, and which role that they will be playing on the platform, whether they will be an admin, assisting you in adding, removing members on the platform, as well as doing all the benefits of the platform, or member where they will not be able to add or delete members, but as well do the features on the platform. And this is the ability to send an invite to one member, and they will then receive the invite to the team as well as a link to Stratpilot. Alternatively, I can bulk invite. And if you remember, this owner is able to add 3 members, so I can select the download template the button. It will then download a template to my device. I then fill in the required sections on the template and come back onto Stratpilot and upload that template. Those members that I have added onto the upload template will then receive the invite to Stratpilot and are then able to join Stratpilot. Those members then will appear on the team once they have accepted the invite. This tutorial video focuses on adding a team member onto Stratpilot.